As we age, our nutritional needs change. Our bodies require different vitamins and minerals to maintain optimal health. It's essential to understand these changes to make informed dietary choices. Maintaining a healthy and active lifestyle becomes even more important after 50. Regular physical activity helps to keep our muscles strong, our hearts healthy, and our minds sharp. Exercise, combined with proper nutrition, can significantly enhance our quality of life. What we eat plays a crucial role in our overall well-being, impacting everything from energy levels to bone health. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help us stay energized and prevent chronic diseases. This is where making smart food choices becomes vital. Selecting nutrient-dense foods over empty calories can make a significant difference in how we feel and function daily. It's about choosing foods that provide the most nutritional value. By nourishing our bodies with the right nutrients, we can support healthy aging and enjoy our golden years to the fullest. Sharing meals with loved ones and making healthy eating a social activity can also enhance our emotional well-being. One often overlooked nutritional powerhouse is hemp seeds. These tiny seeds are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into various dishes. These tiny seeds are packed with protein, fiber, healthy fats, and essential minerals, making them a valuable addition to any diet, especially for those over 50. They can help support heart health, improve digestion, and provide sustained energy. Incorporating hemp seeds into your daily routine is simple and can offer a wide range of health benefits. Whether you sprinkle them on your morning oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or add them to a salad, these seeds can enhance the nutritional profile of your meals. Embracing such superfoods can be a game changer in your journey towards healthy aging. Hemp seeds come from the cannabis sativa plant, a species known for its versatility and wide range of uses. These tiny seeds have been cultivated for thousands of years and have been a staple in various cultures around the world. Despite their origin, hemp seeds don't contain the psychoactive compound THC found in marijuana. This makes them safe and legal to consume, offering a wealth of nutritional benefits without any mind-altering effects. They are a nutritional powerhouse, offering a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need but cannot produce on their own. This makes them an excellent addition to vegetarian and vegan diets, providing a plant-based protein that rivals animal sources. This is particularly important as we age, as our bodies become less efficient at producing certain amino acids. Including hemp seeds in our diet can help maintain muscle mass, support immune function, and promote overall health in older adults. In addition to protein, hemp seeds are rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, essential for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation. These fatty acids play a crucial role in maintaining cognitive function, supporting cardiovascular health, and managing chronic conditions like arthritis. They also provide an abundance of fiber, which aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, preventing constipation, and promoting a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight management. Furthermore, hemp seeds are a good source of important minerals like magnesium, zinc, and iron, often lacking in the diets of older adults. Magnesium supports muscle and nerve function, zinc is vital for immune health, and iron is crucial for preventing anemia and maintaining energy levels. Including hemp seeds in your diet can help bridge these nutritional gaps and support overall well-being. Maintaining muscle mass is crucial as we age. After 50, we naturally lose muscle mass, leading to decreased strength, mobility issues, and an increased risk of falls. Consuming enough protein is vital for preserving muscle mass and preventing age-related muscle loss. Hemp seeds, with their complete protein profile, can be a valuable ally in maintaining muscle health. The amino acids in hemp protein are easily absorbed by the body, making them readily available for muscle repair and growth. Adding hemp seeds to your diet can contribute to maintaining your strength, mobility, and overall vitality as you age. A healthy digestive system is essential for overall well-being, and this becomes even more critical as we get older. Digestive issues can become more common with age, but hemp seeds offer a natural way to support digestive health. The high fiber content in hemp seeds plays a crucial role in promoting digestive regularity. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Additionally, hemp seeds contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance that helps soften stool and promote regularity. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to the stool and helps things move through the digestive tract smoothly. Heart health is paramount, and maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is crucial for preventing cardiovascular disease. Hemp seeds can contribute to heart health due to their unique nutritional composition. The omega-3 fatty acids in hemp seeds have been shown to reduce blood pressure, lower triglyceride levels, and improve overall heart health. Additionally, the fiber in hemp seeds helps lower LDL, or bad cholesterol levels, by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract and preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. Furthermore, the magnesium in hemp seeds acts as a natural vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow, which can help lower blood pressure. Incorporating hemp seeds, easy and delicious ways. Adding hemp seeds to your diet is incredibly simple and versatile. Their mild, nutty flavor makes them a welcome addition to various dishes, both sweet and savory. You can sprinkle hemp seeds on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for a nutritious and flavorful boost. Blending them into smoothies is another great way to incorporate their benefits. Hemp seeds can also be added to baked goods like muffins or bread for added texture and nutrition. For a savory twist, try toasting hemp seeds and using them as a topping for soups or stir-fries. Potential considerations: side effects and interactions. While hemp seeds are generally safe for consumption, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and interactions. Some individuals may experience mild digestive discomfort, such as bloating or diarrhea, when first introducing hemp seeds into their diet. It's best to start with small servings and gradually increase the amount as your body adjusts. Additionally, hemp seeds may interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners. If you are on any medications, it's crucial to consult your doctor before adding hemp seeds to your diet. They can advise you on the appropriate dosage and any potential interactions. The hemp seed advantage: a recap. Hemp seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, offering a wide range of benefits for people over 50. Their complete protein content can help maintain muscle mass, while their fiber content supports digestive health. The omega-3 fatty acids and other nutrients in hemp seeds contribute to heart health, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Moreover, hemp seeds are versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily diet. They can be enjoyed in various ways, adding a nutritional boost to both sweet and savory dishes. By adding hemp seeds to your daily routine, you can improve your overall health and well-being. Embrace the power of hemp seeds. In conclusion, hemp seeds are a valuable addition to any diet, especially for those over 50. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch of nutrition, making them an excellent choice for enhancing overall health and well-being. Their unique nutritional profile offers numerous benefits, from supporting muscle health and aiding digestion to promoting heart health. Hemp seeds are rich in essential fatty acids, including omega-3 and omega-6, which are crucial for maintaining cardiovascular health and reducing inflammation. Additionally, the high fiber content in hemp seeds aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. This can be particularly beneficial for older adults who may experience digestive issues. Moreover, the protein found in hemp seeds supports muscle maintenance and repair, which is vital for staying active and strong as we age. Their versatility and ease of incorporation make them a convenient and delicious way to enhance your daily nutrition. You can sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or even bake them into your favorite recipes. The mild, nutty flavor of hemp seeds complements a variety of dishes, making it easy to enjoy their health benefits without compromising on taste. Embrace the power of hemp seeds and experience the positive impact they can have on your health and well-being. By incorporating these nutrient-dense seeds into your diet, you can take proactive steps towards a healthier, more vibrant life. As with any dietary changes, it's always best to consult your doctor or a registered dietitian to ensure hemp seeds are suitable for your individual needs and health conditions. They can provide personalized advice and help you make the most of this superfood. Here's to healthy aging and enjoying our golden years to the fullest. By making mindful choices and embracing the power of nutritious foods like hemp seeds, we can support our bodies and minds, ensuring we live our best lives every day. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.